In today's Workflow Wednesday tip, we're going to show you a couple of ways that you might speed up your culling when you check critical focus on your images. If you're culling in the preview window, a lot of people like to zoom in to check focus on a part of the image, especially in portraits, and if you press the Z key, it will zoom into the middle of the image, which means you might have to scroll to the top each time, and that can take a lot of time as you go through multiple images. But on a Mac, if you hold down the Command key and click on the part of the image where you need to check focus, Photo Mechanic will zoom right to that portion of the image so you can check focus and then press the Z key again to jump right back out. On a Windows computer, you can do the same thing by holding down the Control key and clicking on the image. This can be really helpful when you're going through similar images because when you do this, Photo Mechanic will hold that position, so if you have a group of similar images, you can still just scroll through those images to check focus without even zooming in and out each time. And you can, of course, still scroll for adjustments as needed. Obviously, you don't always need to check focus at the top of an image, so if you happen to need to look at another part of a photo, you can Command or Control click again to check the part of the image that you need to see, and press Z again to pop back out. You can also do a similar thing in the contact sheet by pressing the Z key to change the cursor to loop mode, and then click on the part of a thumbnail image you want to check focus on. If you have these wide group shots, you can do this to scan across an image at 100% to see if everyone is in focus or if anyone's eyes are closed. And the positioning of this will be dependent on where the thumbnail is in the contact sheet. When you're done, just press the Z key to go back to standard cursor mode. So those are a few ways you can try out to speed up your culling, and you can see more about this in the article in our knowledge base on our website at camerabits.com, or feel free to call us or send us an email if you have any other questions.